In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to send a Snapchat message to someone who is not a friend. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the chats page. Here you're going to find the list of your friends. Now click on this Add Friends icon given at the top right. Scrolling down, you're going to find this section of Find Friends. Now you'll need to search for the person to whom you want to send message. After the profile of that person appears, click on the option Add. Once you have added that person, you'll be able to send the message. Now you can head back to the conversations page. You'll be able to find that person in this list. You'll need to open conversation with that person, type in your message and then send it. So this is how you can send a Snapchat message to someone who is not your friend. Even though they haven't added you back, you'll be able to send them message. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.